Assalamu alaikum. Hi, everyone. Today we will discuss about, or we will solve the problem about work time, work and time, word problem practice, page 34. Okay, my student, 34. Okay, now question number 26. If it is now 6 o'clock, then what time will be after 53 hours? متى يصير after 53 hours? $26. When 6 o'clock will be returned or come back again? After what? After 24 hours, right? So if now 6 p.m. after 24 hours will be the same clock, right? 6 p.m. Now he asked me after 53. Yeah, what will we do? 53, that's right. 53, you subtract from where? From 48. We want find the remainder. Why 48? Yeah, every day equals what? 24, right? So we subtract 53 minus 48. Now it is will be, you can borrow from here, 13 minus 8 is what? Is 5. Then we add 6 o'clock plus 5 equals what, my student? 6 plus 5 equals 11. So the answer is what? Is 11. Is it clear, آية؟ قولي نو. صح؟ بعدش ما شفت السؤال صح؟ يلا 27. Okay, can you read 27, Abdulaziz Saleh?
Yes, Mr. If a worker works for 2 shifts, and the first for 16 riyal, and the second for 18 riyal, how much will he get if he works for 5 hours in both shifts for 20 days?
Right. Here, thank you. 2 shifts. And the first shift will be 16 riyals. And work 5 hours. So we can write it 5 hours times 16 riyals for the first shift. And the second one is 18 riyals and work also 20 days. Work 5 hours in both shift for 20 days. So 5 hours for the second shift. We find the total now. 5 times 16, it is 80, plus 5 times 18, it is 90, and get in 1 day is 170 riyals in 1 day, right? Now he asked me how many days? 20 days. We time 20, right? If you multiply by 20, then you put 2 zeros. 2 times 17 is 34. So the answer is 3,400. Clear, my student? الرجل هذا يشتغل عند شفتين. الشفت الأول ياخذ كم؟ In the first shift, take 16 riyals, right? The second shift take 18 riyals. Now 5 times 16 and plus 5 times 18. So the answer is 170 for 1 day, right? And for 20 days, we multiply 170 times 20 days equals 3,400 riyals. واضح يا clear. تمام. Okay, number now 28. Online student, is it clear? Okay, wait, continue. Abdulaziz Saleh, please continue. 28.
When the minute hand moves 25 minutes, and the angle it makes with the forehand is hour hand.
Right. Okay, I will discuss with you with the clock. If you have watch like this, how many hours there? 12 hours, right? Here will be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, also 11, 12. Now, what is the degrees of the circle? Can you tell me the degrees, the sum? It is what? For the circle is 360. Now we want to find the degrees or the angle between 12 and 1. What is it? Now we want to find with the pointer, سموه العقرب pointer. Pointer صح؟ Pointer, if the pointer with 12 and the pointer with 3. What is the angle between two pointers? الحين صارت الساعة 3 تماما. Look, here 3 o'clock. What is the angle between two pointers? 90, right? Okay, now can you tell me what is the angle between 12 and 1, 1 and 2? We divided by what? By 12, right? Then equals what? 30. So each one here will be 30, 30, 30. So 3 o'clock is 90 o'clock, is 90 degrees. And here 30, 30. Okay, can you give me 1 minute? How to find 1 minute? Now 5 minutes, we get 30 degrees, right? 5 minutes, 30 degrees. For 1 minute, how much? 1 minute. You divide it by what? 5. Because we have 30. So 30 divided by 5, so equals 6 degrees. Right? So now you can write it 1 minute equals 6 degrees. 30 minutes equals 30 degrees. Right? And 1 hour, 360. Okay, now he asked me, when the minute hand moves 25 minutes, what is the degrees? Okay, 25 minutes, 25 minutes. So each 1 minute equals 6 degrees. So you multiply by what? By 6. Then the answer is what? 150. Clear? Okay. If give me now, if the clock is 4:10, what is the angle between two pointers? If the watch is, or the pointers is 4 and 10, 4 o'clock and 10, كم يصير الزاوية بينهم؟ مو 90. لا. Okay, I will draw. If it is, look my student, it is will be 4 and what? And 10, right? Near 60, right? But it is will be 65. Why? Because if the point terminus move, then the clock or the hours will be moved. Right? كل 10 دقائق تتحرك شرطة واحدة. So will be يعني 60. Or we have also formula. Do you want the formula? To find the angle between two pointers in the clock. It is hours time 30 minus minute minutes time 11/2. This the formula help you to find the angles. Minutes. لا minute هذه minutes. يلا الساعة 4:10 كيف نوجد الانجل؟ يلا نعوض نطلع الناتج. Hours, what is the hours? Is 4 times 30 minus minutes is 10 times 11/2. Okay, 4 times 30, 120 minus 10. Now you can simplify, is 1, and here will be 5. 5 times 11, 55. Then absolute value, 120 minus 55, it is 65, right? So the degree is 65. Or by what? By drawing. If you draw, then you can find the minutes. Or you can find the angles. Okay, my student. إما أنا أستخدم الفورمولا أقول hours time 30 minus minutes time 11/2. And why you put absolute value? Because the minute and the hours will be positive, not negative. Maybe the answer will be here negative, then you write it positive. You know, 410 is by formula you can get it. Also, or by drawing. You can draw, then you can find the angles. واضح؟ أولادي بناتي clear؟ تمام. Okay, number 29. علشان لو غير في الأسئلة اللي أنتوا تقدروا توجدوا الأنجلز. Okay, 29 with Nawrat Reiki. Read please, 29.
3 workers are paid 1,650 reals for 6 hours working. If the first one worked the whole period, the second for half the period, and the third for the period, then what's the proportion of each of them?
Right, good. 3 workers are paid 1,650 for 6 hours working. اشتغلوا 6 ساعات. Right? Okay. If the first one worked the whole period, we write it the whole 6 hours. The second one for half the period. إذا كم صارت؟ 3. And the third of the third the period. So will be what? Will be 2, right? Yeah, it will be 2. So 2. And here ask me now then what is? Okay, if I have shares or ratio, we add them. 6 plus 3 plus 2 equals 11. Then you divide it. 1,650 divided by 11 equals 150 reals for one ratio or one share. Then you multiply 150 times 6 it is what? It's 900. Then you multiply. Then you get the answer. اوكي شو يصير الإجابة يا بنات يا أولاد؟ It will be yes A 900 450 and 300. So the answer is what? Is A. Clear؟ دائما إذا يعطينا ريشيو وش نسوي؟ We are. وش نسوي لنا؟ We are. نروح نجمع وبعدين نوجد the value for one share. Divided by 11, we get 150, then we multiply. 150 times 6, 150 times 3, 150 times 2. We get, huh?
كيف نضيف الاختبار ان 1650 divided by 11 تساوي 150؟
Easy. 16 divided by 11. كم؟ لا ما تقول واحد بس احنا تقولي وين. Look here. You can divide it like this. 16 divided by 11 is what? 1. What is the remainder for 16? 1 ضرب 11 كم؟ 11 باقي كم من ال 16؟ باقي 5 right? Then الآن صارت 55 divided by 11 كم؟ 5. Then 0 divided by 11 0. أو تستخدم اللونج division. ما تحبيها؟ إذا تحبي اللونج division is very good. If you don't know, you can use this. I think this by Chinese way. طريقة صينية. كده عرفتي احنا تقسم كده سريع. Okay, I give you another one. If you have 3, 4, 5, and here 7, 5, 3 divided by 3 بعد ونقول بعد هنا 3 divided by 9 عدد كبير. كيف أسوي الاختبار؟ كيف أحلها؟ كده 3 divided by 9 is not allowed. So 34 divided by 9 it will be 3. والباقي كم؟ 3 times 9 is 27. باقي كم؟ 4 مع 3 بقى 7 صح؟ 75 divided by 9 is 8. الباقي من هنا كم؟ 3. 33 divided by 9 will be 3. الباقي 6. 63 divided by 9 it is when 7. طلعنا كده. كلير؟ مع الممارسة صيري فنانة. كلير؟ تمام. Okay, now number 31. Continue, Naura. 31. Oh, 30. Sorry, 30. ما خلصنا 30 صح؟ Okay, 30. يلا يا
If
نوعا 30 please.
If 4 workers finish the work in 18 days, then how many workers can finish the same work in 12 days?
Right. If 4 workers finish the work in 18 days, 4 workers finish 18 days for them. Then how many workers can finish? So ask me about worker in 12 days. Here you should be know if it is reverse relationship or not. لازم تعرفوا هل هذا تناسب طردي أو تناسب عكسي. إذا تناسب طردي نضرب cross multiply. كيف تناسب طردي؟ يعني كل ما زادت كمية A الثانية تصير Z. هذه الكروس مالتبلاي. أما الريفيرس ريليشن شيب إذا زادت A ويصير في B less زيد تنقص. زين هذه تناسب عكسي. هنا الآن أو 5 مو 4. ليش ما قلتوا لي؟ أو 1 2 أو 3 sorry. Okay, now we have 4 workers يشتغلوا في 18 day ياخذوا 18 days. الآن وش سوينا الحين؟ صارت الأيام كم الحين؟ 12 قلت. وش يصير في الوركرز؟ تزيدون. يصير reverse relationship. الريفيرس you multiply by horizontal or by row. So worker you multiply like this. 4 times 18 divided by 12. Then you can simplify. Divided by 4 is 1, 3. 18 divided by 3 equals what? 6. So the answer is 6. Clear? Online student, is it clear?
Yes.
Right, good. Okay, 31. 31 said 5 workers make 10 or 11 pieces of cloth. So عندنا worker, عندنا pieces, عندنا time. Right? وعندنا هنا time. هلا محمد اخبارك؟ 5 workers, so here we write it 5. And pieces is what? Is 100. The time is 5. Here we have 3 quantities. If 3 quantities, so what will I do? We use alternative or ضرب تبادل, alternative reduction. So now the second one, then how many workers, he asked me about workers, make 336 in a week. So 7 days, right? We solve like this. So you multiply 5 times, and here you multiply like this. So W times 100 times 7, this for W, equals 5 times 5 times 336. We divide it now by 100 times 7, here by 100 times 7. بدون هنا ما تضربوا توجدوا الناتج. على طول you can simplify. هنا divided by 5 will be 20. Divided by 5 equals what? Also 4. And divided by 4, here it is will be 33 will be 8, 84, right? 84 divided by 7 equals what? 12. So the answer is 12. Clear? Online student, is it clear?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, number 32. If Hind make a skirt in 18 minutes, يعني when in 18 minutes, and how many skirts? So X in what? In 4 hours. 4 hours, how many minutes? 4 hours? 240, right? So now when and 18, how become 240? Multiply by what? 18 times what? You don't know? Yeah, because it's not equal. So X equals 240 times 1 divided by 18. You can simplify. By 6 is 3. By 6 will be what? 40, right? So 40 divided by 3 equals 13 and something, right? 13 and something. So nearly or approximate 30. So the answer is 30. Cross multiplying. Easy لينا نسوي لازم relation. إذا سوينا relation بعدين use what? Cross multiplying ونطلع الجواب. Clear? تمام. Okay, now a farmer plants 300 in 60 hours. باحلة هنا تحت. عندنا 33. قال لنا farmer, the subject, object is the plant, and time is hour. You should be ordered the same. Subject, object, time. زين لازم ضروري الترتيب. مين اللي زرع وبكم عدد الزرع والتايم. Subject, object, time. If we have 3 quantities, so you write a farmer is what you do? 1. We write it 1. A farmer is 1. A plant 300 time 60 hours. Then in how many hours? He asked me about time. Can 10 farmers plant the same amount? 300. نفس الشيء نستخدم cross or alternative reduction or multiplication. We multiply like this. Okay, T time 10 times 300. وعلى طول اكتبها ما في مشكلة عندكم. نقول T equals what? You multiply 60 times 300 times 1 divided by what? 10 times 300. So the answer is what? It's 6 hours. The answer is 6 hours. Clear? واضح الحين إذا عندي 3 كميات نسوي كده كروس ونطلع الجواب. Okay, we close this video. Then we will complete. Thank you very much, my student, and have a nice time. Good luck in your life. Bye-bye.